knowledge with the vision of one world, one campus. The Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning, Pune.
Welcome to Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning. Here at Symbiosis, we have the Faculty of Education, Humanities and Social Sciences, which cater to 5 important programs. All the programs have unique characteristics, but the common objective of all the programs is to help the students face the global challenges which are related to the changing scenario of education. Especially at SCDL, we follow a student-centered approach, keeping in mind the importance giving to the learning to the students. Here we also give importance to earn and learn effectively, as we provide flexibility in learning. The objective of all the programs is to help the students to stand in the global world. We give the combination of theory and practicals in the subjects related to education. Postgraduate Diploma in Educational Administration. The duration of this program is 2 years. This program gives a clear idea of administration. If anyone who wants to join administration in educational institution, they are being given the knowledge related to it through various courses such as Foundations of Education, Philosophical Foundations, Educational Psychology, current trends in education which is most needed, and the most important aspect which I would like to share, that is ICT in education. Here the students are given a practical base by giving a project in the 4th semester, and where the students need to go and actually work or do a case study on an institution to find out the administration of the institution. Postgraduate Diploma in Instructional Design. As we all know that instructions are very important in our day-to-day life. But if these instructions are designed in well-mannered, if these learning modules are designed, delivered and evaluated effectively, it is going to obviously help the teaching learning process. Now, as we all know that we have been shifted from teacher-centered approach to student-centered approach. And when we say to student-centered approach, here e-learning, web-based learning, computer-based learning play a very predominant role. And to teach the students, the teachers should be effective. So, in instructional design, we help the people who take admission to cater to these needs. They learn how to design, how to deliver and how to evaluate the whole program through e-learning modules. Postgraduate Diploma in Pre-Primary Teachers Training course. The duration is for 1 year. This course specially is designed for the teachers. As we all know that students, especially the small children, they learn only through imitation. And for that, it is very important that a teacher stands as an effective role model in front of the students. Now, these teachers, to cater with their needs, we have different courses in pre-primary teachers training, where the psychology of the students, how to handle these students, what are the various methods and strategies and techniques which help them to understand the students' problem are being incorporated. The important aspect of this program is that practical aspect is also being given to the program, as the content is structured in such a way that it is a need that a teacher needs to go to the school, actually take the classes, prepare the lesson plan and evaluate and submit it to SCDL. So this is a wonderful program which you can opt for. Diploma in English Language Teaching. This is a program related to English language. As we all know that to stand in this global world, we need to know English much better. And at present, more and more there is a dearth of teachers who speak wonderful English, who speak effective English, and the students can learn from there. And there is where SCDL helps the teachers to learn English better, to use various methodologies, to learn and understand various concepts of English, teach and learn through the concept of constructivism. Diploma in Creative Writing in English. As English is a global language, we need to understand it better. We learn our mother tongue very quickly through imitation. We can express in our mother tongue. But it is very difficult to express in English. And there is where SCDL help the students to express themselves in English. Where we have courses like Expressive Self, Self-Expressions, Creative Lives, and there are various submissions, hard copy submissions, where actually the students have to submit what they feel, what they want to express. They also have to go and take interviews of the people who have been authorized in writing poems and authoring the books and submit it to SCDL, which helps them to understand how important and how effective writing can help in teaching learning process.